Hello, welcome back to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper, and we're back here in my shop, which is not as impressive as Russell's place was. That was just something to see. So today is our follow-up video. We're going to address all the questions and comments. There was a lot of them, and first off, I want to thank Mr. Pete, your YouTube shop teacher, Lyle Peterson. He did a video talking about this, and then he went into a rant on his video about YouTube and being shadow banned and his analytics a little bit. And I kind of want to address that first here. A lot of the information that was asked about in the comments section was all covered in the video. The video was almost an hour long, and by the analytics, the average view duration was 8.5 minutes. So nobody was watching the whole video, and they were all missing all the important information. So this video, we're going to go ahead and just cover a lot of those comments and questions and cover that information. So the first question I want to address is a lot of people had commented and questioned about keeping the collection together, starting a museum, that kind of stuff, you know, how it's disrespectful to break it all up. It was Russell's wishes and in his will to separate the collection and spread it, to get it into the hands of the collectors, the machinists, the guys who want to learn. He wanted to spread this knowledge and spread this equipment so that people had the opportunity to continue on. That was his wishes, and that's what his widow is following through with. So please respect his wishes and understand that's what he was after. Now, another question or comment that I got a lot of is people saying it was extremely disrespectful to call him a hoarder. I meant no disrespect to him, none whatsoever. One of his close friends who had known him for years, he said during COVID, Russell had cut him out and said, you know, he didn't want any more visitors because of COVID. He was scared. His health was not good, and that's what caused this. His health, he had cancer 10 years ago. He fought it, went through remission. He got cancer again, and that's what took him out. But this friend of his told me outright, he watched the video and he says, wow, he says, it was nothing like this in 2019. It was clean, meticulous, organized, not cluttered, not full like that. He said, so the cancer, the treatment, all that made a shift in his brain as we understand it, and that's what started this. So yes, it is hoarding. It is in its own sense. It was a very amazing collection of stuff, but it wasn't like that before all the cancer. So please understand that. This is how it's been explained to me. I'm just the messenger here, but it's sad. It's sad to see that it got to that point, but he had amassed some amazing stuff that is going to be dispersed and shared with everybody. So please understand where that all come from. Now, as I said, I am just the messenger. Premier Machinery Auctions in Blaine, Minnesota is handling this. The link is on the video, and they're handling the whole estate, doing the best they can. Stuff is going to get split up. It's inevitable. It's almost impossible. I mean, trying to sort it, they're going to do their absolute best, but you're going to have to watch all the coming up auctions to catch all the pieces that may be missed. They're going to do their absolute best, and they do ship. Shipping is a 100% an option, so definitely bid. And guys, all of this money is going to the widow. It is her retirement. It is, you know, she's going to recover as much as she can, and we're wishing her the absolute best. So please be respectful and help with this auction, bid on stuff, buy stuff, and appreciate it. I know I will. If I buy anything, I'll definitely appreciate it. After seeing it, the whole collection and what he had, it was just incredible. That's the only word to explain it, incredible. And I, honest to God, wish I could have met the man. Just, he had to be an absolute genius. And talking to a few of his friends that I've gotten to meet since then, he was very generous, very gifted, you know, extremely talented. And he did some amazing work. So let's honor this man. Like I said, I meant no disrespect calling him a hoarder, and I just want to see this auction go well, and that's why Premier asked me to come in and help to get the word out to help spread this collection per Russel's wishes. So with that, Saturday we're going to get back to our normal stuff. We're back on the horizontal mill doing some keyway work, and again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it answered the questions. Those were the big ones. Check out the auction, Premier Machinery Auctions, and until next time, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.